Welcome to this tutorial on mitosis, the process that allows organisms to grow, repair tissues, and replace old cells. Mitosis is the division of a eukaryotic cell's nucleus that results in two genetically identical daughter cells. Mitosis is one part of the cell cycle. DNA replication happens in interphase, then mitosis and cytokinesis completes the cycle. In prophase, chromatin condenses into visible chromosomes. The nuclear envelope breaks down and spindle fibers form. During metaphase, chromosomes align at the cell's equator to ensure each new cell gets a full set. In anaphase, the sister chromatids are pulled apart and move towards opposite poles of the cell. In telophase, the nuclear envelopes reform and chromosomes uncoil back into chromatin. Cytokinesis divides the cytoplasm, producing two genetically identical diploid cells. Mitosis is essential for growth, tissue repair, and asexual reproduction in some species. To summarize, mitosis produces two identical diploid cells, while meiosis produces four unique haploid cells. For more tutorials and test prep videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Dr. B's Tutorials.